Yeah, so, diba? That was 9 days, 10 days into the relationship. Yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that in our honeymoon stage, how much more? 3 months, 6 months, a year, God knows, right? Usually, yung mga babaero, if they find someone and nasa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways, maybe a month. But this is 9 days. So, God knows, ano pa yung iba, right? This is like, I am amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow. Hands down. Anak day. Duha. Ibaw tulo.